Hi y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christy and I'm the owner and creator at Lulu Ladybug Creations. Today I'll be creating a floral geometric tumbler using all the materials listed in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it. Please leave me a comment with any questions you may have and I'll do my best to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by and visiting my channel. Alright, let's get to crafting. Okay, so off camera, I prepped the tumbler and I spray painted it with this baby pink color. And now I'm going to use the Mod Podge to adhere my glitter. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I don't want to call it, well, I guess we can call it an ombre, but I'm kind of doing the ombre from the outside on both ends coming in. And then the middle color, the pink, which is I'm going to place in the middle, will be ombre out, if that makes any sense. Okay, so I let the glitter and the Mod Podge dry for about an hour or two, probably 2 hours. Then I went in and I used Amazing Illuminate Quick Coat Epoxy. And I used, I believe it was just one coat that I used of epoxy. So I've already cut out the template and I'm going to weed eat all the extras here. And, uh, and then once I get all these trimmings off, what I'll do is I'll go and remove all the patterns that are inside, uh, the line patterns. I'll go in and remove all those patterns. Okay, now what I'm going to do is use transfer tape. I'm going to put transfer tape over the entire wrap, and uh, and then that's how we will lay it onto the tumbler. Okay, so afterwards I was measuring it up and I realized that I didn't uh, give myself enough room for the glitter and there's going to be a gap. But what I'll end up doing is I'll get this wrap placed on the tumbler and then I'll move the squares around so that they can, it'll close the little gap up a little bit. Okay, so I used scissors to trim the bottom. Now I'm going to use this edging cutter tool to trim the bottom and the top of the tumbler. Okay, now that I repositioned those pieces, now what I'm going to do is use gold trimming to go over all of my geometric pattern. I did cut it. It's funny because I did cut all these off of gold with gold foil, and I cut it too deep, so it literally cut them out in a lot of little strips. So that's why you see all those strips there. But anyways, I'm going to go in and I'm going to trace every one of these little blocks with the gold foil. And I apologize for not having the measurements of the striping. Okay, so now we're going to cut out these beautiful, they're called Peony and Roses element sheet that I got from Slide Hustle. Slide Hustle has their shop on Etsy. I have their link in the description below. But what we're going to do is we're going to cut out some florals and place them over the geometric patterns. Okay, so I'm going to use the hinge method to place these flowers on the tumbler, and I'm going to try to place them over the parts of the cup that have some imperfections. This cup is pretty much done. I'll place all the flowers and then I'll put 2 coats of epoxy and let it cure. And I'll have a ending video here shortly of the final tumbler. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it.